Victorian homes, with their ornate details and grand stature, often evoke a sense of history and tradition. But who says tradition can't embrace a little modern flair? If you're a homeowner or designer looking to breathe new life into a Victorian facade, consider the unexpected charm of pastel colors. While deep jewel tones have long been associated with Victorian architecture, pastels offer a refreshing alternative. They bring a contemporary lightness while still honoring the home's historical character. Think of it as a playful wink to the past, rather than a strict adherence to it. One of the hallmarks of Victorian design is the intricate detailing. Gingerbread trim, corbels, and ornate window moldings are all begging to be noticed. Pastels provide the perfect backdrop, allowing these intricate elements to truly shine. Where deeper colors might obscure the finer points, soft hues let them take center stage. Your home is an extension of your personality, and color is a powerful tool for self-expression. Pastels offer a wide range of options, from calming blues and greens to playful pinks and yellows. This allows you to create a truly unique and personalized look that sets your home apart. In a sea of traditional Victorian color schemes, a pastel-hued home is sure to turn heads. It's an unexpected and delightful surprise that instantly boosts curb appeal and creates a memorable first impression. Here are some great tips for DIYers and design professionals. Start with inspiration. Explore historical resources and online platforms like Pinterest to find examples of Victorian homes that utilize pastel shades. This can help you visualize the possibilities and spark your creativity. Create a cohesive palette. Choose 2 to 3 complementary pastel colors to create a balanced and harmonious look. Don't be afraid to experiment with different shades and tones to find the perfect combination. Embrace accents. Use bolder colors for accent features like doors, window sashes, and porch railings. This adds depth and visual interest, preventing the pastel palette from feeling too one-dimensional. Consider the surroundings. Factor in the home's environment. A Victorian nestled amongst lush greenery might suit earthy greens and soft yellows, while a coastal property could benefit from airy blues and seafoam greens. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned design professional, don't shy away from experimenting with pastels on your Victorian home. It's a chance to reimagine tradition, highlight architectural beauty, and infuse your personality into one of history's most beloved architectural styles.
And thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to visit our website. We have an organized list of our videos there. You might have a difficult time finding that anywhere else.